Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the GitHub 404 error in Tinytask. First, go to your GitHub page and let's open one of your repositories as an example. At the top, click the Settings tab. Once you're in Settings, scroll down to the Code and Automation section. Then click on Pages. Now, we're in the Pages section and there are two important things to check. First, under the source section, make sure it says deploy from a branch. Then just below that, where it says branch, make sure it's set to main. Sometimes it's set to none by default, so change that to main. Next, in the folder option, make sure it's set to root. Once everything looks good, click the save button. It may take a few seconds, around 30 seconds to a minute. And after that, your site should go live. And you'll see a link appear at the top. Click on it and your website should load properly without the 404 error. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. See you on the next one.